To enhance your reading experience with websites, let me show you reading mode for Android. First, head to your Google Play Store to download the following app. Search for reading mode in the top search bar. Now install this app to your phone. Tap open. This will give you a preview of what the app will look like, which will enhance and declutter your reading experience from unwanted ads or auto-playing videos. To enable reading mode, click on the settings icon on the screen, tap into reading mode, toggle the switch to enable reading mode, tap on allow. You'll now see a blue pop-up icon on your screen. This is a quick shortcut to making any website reader friendly. Now to start using reading mode and seeing its true potential, open up a web page that you want to use this feature on. Tap on the blue icon shortcut to start using reading mode. You will see a simplified view of the website you just clicked on, removing any ads or annoying pop-ups. By clicking on the icon in the bottom right of the screen, this will allow you to make the font or text bigger or smaller according to preference. You can listen to the written text like an audiobook with reading mode app. Just tap on the audio icon at the bottom to enable it. You can speed up or slow down the talking speed of the audio. By clicking on the settings icon, you can get more options like underlining the text, which shows a line to help you read every line of your text better. Play around with the settings to get reading mode set up just the way you like. Thank you for watching.